John Kavakis here for My Take. Today we're going to take a look at Goldvarg's brand new 1961 Comet. Now don't you just want to say Mercury Comet? That's how we all know it. But if you're familiar with the story, you know that that's not how it started. The Comet was originally planned to be an Edsel, but we all know what happened to that nameplate. So the Comet debuted as a 1960 model under its own nameplate and was sold in Lincoln Mercury Comet dealerships. And all those first models were based on a stretched Ford Falcon platform, an extra 5 inches, a little bit more room inside. It still bore some of the echoes of the Edsel design. A lot of the dash fixtures were lifted right out of the Edsel. The keys, the Edsel had an emblematic E on it. They changed that to a C for the Comet. Then, of course, there's those taillights. Their family resemblance to the Edsel taillights in 1960. Not the same size, but they were meant to emulate those Edsel taillights. So a lot of carryover. The 1960 models came in 4-door sedans and wagons, came with one drivetrain, 144 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, made 90 horsepower with a 3-speed manual or a 2-speed automatic. There were 2 trim levels. Both of them were higher than the Falcon, so it was supposed to be a little bit nicer car. And the car was an immediate success, sold over 100,000 copies in its first year. And it outpaced the entire Mercury lineup. So they hit the bullseye on that one. For 1961, came a brand new grille, a more powerful engine, 176 cubic inches, 101 horsepower. A lot of people thought that was kind of necessary. There were a few upgrades to trim, and they debuted the S22 Sporty model that stayed in the lineup for a long time. And sales jumped to over 185,000 units in 1962. And that's when the Comet became part of the Mercury lineup. So Goldvarg has given us a model of the 1961 version. They made it available in 2 colors. The colors are called Sultana White over green frost and Sheffield gray with red interior. Now I've got the Sultana White here. It kind of presents as a soft type of turquoise. It's a really nice looking color combination. I've seen pictures of the gray one with the red interior. It's absolutely stunning. So let's get the model on the turntable here and take a look at it. And of course, the first thing I want to, you know, Goldvarg is just exquisite in miniaturization. I don't even want to call it a scale model. These cars are beautiful. The finish is fantastic. It's even, it's deep, it's lustrous. The colors are right on. The trim is just absolutely fantastic. Now there's some photo etch here, and photo etch sometimes manages to look fairly flat. But this is very tastefully done and has some dimensionality to it. The front grille is very nicely done, black wash. The lensing is perfect on it. The chrome is deep and lustrous. Take a look at the detail on that front grille, in particular on those little bullseye target fender toppers there. They're just absolutely delicate, fragile, and beautifully done. The trim on this side is equally well done. The lock cover is picked out on the doors. And then the sail panel, that kind of echo of that Thunderbird roofline that showed up in 1959 right here on this, and well picked out with a really great looking emblem. Badging again, front and rear. You take a look on the rear and you see that the taillights are very, very well done. Lensing is beautiful on it. And that badge is picked out in color. Just absolutely fantastic. The wheels on this one, you know, have been hard on Sergio's wheels. They could use a bit more dimensionality, but they're well done. They're well done stock wheels. The right size white wall tires. I think they've done a great job. And the interior. Now I mentioned this before. I think the new Battleground on 143rd is going to be detailed in the interior. This interior is another home run. The dash is well picked out. Steering wheel well replicated. The seats have texture to them. The door panels are detailed. It's just a beautiful interior. When you get your model, take a look inside. Start taking a look inside. I mean, the manufacturer's working really hard to give us as much accuracy in the interior as they do on the exterior. So this is just a beautiful model. Let's go to the 5-star rating. Fidelity, it's a 5. The car's nearly a perfect miniature of the full-size car. Trim, lensing, badging, 5. 5 plus maybe on that. Color, 5. Exact replicas of the the factory colors. Interior detail, 5. Wheels and tires, I'm going to go with 4 here. Just a little bit of a ding on the 4, but this one looks fairly appropriate. The value, $99 still, and holding the line. God bless you, Sergio, for taking care of us. The value is a 5. So again, we've got a Goldvarg model with 29 of 30, a nearly perfect model. It's a beautiful model. If you can pick them up, I recommend you move quickly. I don't know how much longer Sergio can hold prices. He's doing a great job of it right now. And I've talked to him. He's doing it because he loves collecting. He loves collectors. He's doing it for us. It's just a fantastic guy, a fantastic model. That's my take on Goldvarg's 1961 Mercury Comet. Hey, before you go, would you do me a favor and hit the like button below? And I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I've got a lot of videos coming up. We've got some new models. We've got some model introductions. I've got some prototypes to show you. You're going to want to sign up and be notified when they happen. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you later.